Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to another live session, YouTube live session with your boy Kano. Today is July 1st. Happy 1st of July. I hope this month is prosperous to you and to myself, obviously. But we're coming in, we're gonna follow the rules, and we're gonna do what we gotta do. What's good, Ben? Nice to finally
Hey,
meet
what's
you,
up?
man.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, bro. Can you hear me?
Yeah, loud and clear.
Nice to finally meet you, man. Welcome back to another
Yeah,
live session.
I'm gonna show you my view real quick.
Let me see.
רגע.
Let me see the view, Ben.
Do you see me now?
Yeah, I can see you. Nice. Nice. Where you
It's a
located?
very nice view, man.
Where you located?
In the Middle East.
Nice.
I'm on vacation.
Vacation. Nice. You deserve
Yeah, having the time of my life. But
it.
still, always working, man.
Always working.
Every time, you gotta get that grind.
How long you out there for?
What?
How
What did you
long?
say? I
How long
didn't
you
hear.
there for?
Yeah, about YouTuber. It's my girlfriend. I am today. The vacation just started, but
Just
we are
started.
here for one day.
One day?
Yeah, it's like she's famous, the girl,
Uh huh.
and she can hook us up for free collaboration type shit
Okay.
with like restaurants and vacation places like this. So she's the popular, not me.
That's amazing, bro. I'm happy to hear that, man.
ماشي ماشي ما זה? We are just discovering the place because this is quite a desert. No, the house look like poo-poo. Oh no, wait, what? חשבתי זה משהו. How's the market doing? Do you think it's gonna be bearish or bullish?
I'm bearish, but we'll see.
I think too. I already got in a trade, but it looks very bearish. I'm not gonna lie, but you know, and it did cross my line and hit my sell stop.
Mm-hmm.
But it's kind of sluggish now.
Yeah, it's no news yet, but we have news at 8:15 today. We have
Oh,
non-farm
oh
employment
shit!
exchange.
What the fuck was that?
Yeah, that's
No
that's
way.
news. That's news.
There was the biggest spike that touched my stop loss. I was
That's
like,
news, bro.
man, on the US30. That shit. That's $1 down the drain.
It's all good. Some lessons
Man,
learned.
that sucks. Well,
Some lessons
another
learned.
one. Look
Yeah.
for another opportunity. How are you, man? Ah, are you streaming every day like this from the Zoom?
Yeah, I'm on Zoom and I'm on YouTube, so I do it both. So whoever's on the YouTube chat, on the Zoom chat, you could on the Telegram chat, you could join the Zoom. You could talk to me. You know, we can converse.
Mm-hmm.
But for anybody that's new, like I didn't meet you till like last week, so I only met you
Yeah.
because of YouTube. So I put it up on YouTube for new people to meet me and me to meet new people, and then Zoom is for the people that's already in the Telegram group chat.
Man, eliminate those random spikes.
Are you Muslim?
No, I'm Jew.
You're a Jew.
But you know, I don't hate no one. I love everyone.
Okay.
It's all free love here.
What part of the Middle East are you in?
Israel.
Oh, nice. Israel. That's beautiful, man. I want to come out there one of these days.
You know, I think everywhere you look at this world, it's beautiful.
Yeah, yeah, for sure.
Only people can make it uglier.
For sure. I agree with that one. We also have news at 8:30. Let's see what it does.
Yeah, I saw. Just a second, bro. I'm jumping in the pool, so I'll be right back.
Yeah, go ahead, man. Have fun. It's your vacation. Go enjoy it. Join the live again when you're done. Who else is here? We have EQ Boob. I'm sorry, bro. Let's call you Solomon. What's up, Solomon? Oh, I didn't post the news charts today. Let me post them. Okay, let's get it. So I screenshotted the charts and put them in a group chat. Screenshot didn't work. doesn't really show the 4th of July as a holiday. Let's say look at US30 on the bigger time frame now. So in the higher time frame, we can see that we're coming to this ultra resistance. This resistance has been here since July 17th, 18th. Yeah, this resistance has been here since July 16th. So it's a big, you can see when it got up here, big, super big resistance, and it came here last week Friday and turned around massively. So right now I could see that, you know, we broke this low, we came back, we came up here, created a low, came down here, broke the low. So I'm expecting a nice little pullback for it to try to attempt this high again. Is it gonna do it? Is it gonna be successful? Not sure. You know, we just trade what we see. I could definitely say non-farm employment exchange was nothing spectacular today. Usually it is. Usually it does come with like some volume, some really nice volume for us to take a trade off of, but today was nothing. Let's see if unemployment is going to give us anything. If not, we have the 9:30 open and we have 10 o'clock. If those two really gives no. Wait. This is June. Oh. Oh, wow. What was I paying attention to? Oh, so we have 10 o'clock. Let's see. Yeah, so we have 10 o'clock news today. Tomorrow's a holiday. I'm not going to be trading tomorrow. Then we have OPEC meeting on Wednesday. I don't trade on Wednesdays anymore, so not going to be trading on Wednesdays. We have ADP unemployment rate that is on Thursday. I'm going to be trading Thursday and Friday. So my trading days this week is Monday, Thursday, Friday. Tuesday is a holiday. Wednesdays I don't trade. And then next week is looking crazy. Well, Monday, Tuesday I could trade next week. Wednesday, Thursday is CPI, PPI. Don't trade CPI. Don't trade PPI. And prelim I could trade on Friday. Week after that, I could trade on Monday, Tuesday. I don't trade Wednesdays. Thursday I could trade Friday. Not bad. This Monday I can't trade. Tuesday I can trade. Wednesday I don't trade. Thursday, Friday I can trade. Not bad. Let's see. This month, you know, might be potentially holding some gems. Let us see. I definitely did think that we were gonna have news at 8:30. I was looking at the wrong calendar. I was looking at June, so I thought we had a 15 news, but we actually only have 10 o'clock news. So that looks like we're not gonna get anything until like 9:30 open. In all honesty. So I did kind of start to zoom a little early. We got like an hour left. I'm gonna play some music, and I'm gonna finish. I have some back testing work to do, just to collect the rest of my data. You wanna stick around? for that, but either way, we get the work done. Play a little music.
Can you explain what do you do when you're backtesting?
Yeah, sure. Okay. So, when I first started backtesting, well, I would say I always been backtesting, but I'm at a point in my backtesting that I want to see how can I make my strategy more efficient and how can I capitalize more and how can I lose less, right? So when I'm backtesting my strategy, I'm asking myself a whole bunch of questions, but now I already have the questions that I'm asking myself. So basically, I want to know what days is the best day to trade for me, what days is the worst days to trade, and Wednesdays is the worst days to trade. So I already figured that information. So I just completely eliminated Wednesdays because I backtested Wednesdays for about 9 months, and I see that every time I backtest, every time I do my backtesting, Wednesdays is usually more losses than wins. And my best days to trade is Friday. So I actually know what my best days of trading is Friday. My second best day of trading is Tuesday. Not Tuesday, Thursday. Now I want to know what does an A plus setup look like for my trading strategy. I figured out what an A plus setup look for my trading strategy is, so I know when I can add more. What would I say? Add more risk to it, because not every trade. I don't think every trade should just have one set risk. In my opinion, you should always, if you could see a better trade, if you see an A plus setup, you should put more risk behind it. Because why not? So I figured out what my A plus setup looked like. There's other questions that I asked. Damn.
The I think the only thing I'm missing right now, except the mentality and of course the psychology
Yeah.
of not exiting a trade when I see the numbers go down or things like that, and sticking to my plan. I think except that it's only the times. And I'm trying to figure out the times, but you said the US times, well, at least in the morning, like when the news starts, so the volume starts to come.
Yeah. You trade US30, right?
Yeah.
What time is
The
it?
NAS.
What time is it by you? What time right now is it by you?
So it's 7 hours after what's the real time there.
No, what time is it by you right now? Like where you're at?
Right now it's 3:30.
It's 3
PM.
3 p.m. Okay, so 3:30 p.m. by you. So that means that roughly around this time every day you should be like, so
Yeah,
from
yeah,
3 o'clock to like
exactly.
5 o'clock every day. This is the time you should be looking at the charts because that's when US30 is active.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I would say that one, but in order to get the game plan down packed, you need to do the work. You need to go
Backtest.
back and back test it. You need to see it multiple times. As you said you're a boxer. Like you don't go to the gym and only fight on fight day. No, you go and practice. You have to practice.
Yeah, every day, of course.
Yeah, you always have to
No,
practice.
the practice is I think is much there because I'm sitting about 8 to 10 hours a day on the market.
Are you
If I'm
looking at the
backtesting,
charts? Are you just
just
looking at the charts?
looking.
Or are you back testing?
So I don't have a really fixed number of hours on backtesting and on just looking at the charts, but it depends because I get some ideas and maybe I want to put them into my strategy or lose them because they don't benefit me. So it's like it's half backtesting and half just looking at the charts and figuring out what is going on. I'm giving myself like in theory, if I would get in this position like with paper trading
Mm-hmm.
and see how much I can gain and see how much from that of my gains, overall gains, vest my losses,
Mm-hmm.
and looking at everything and trying to figure out if my strategy, how many times it will work. I don't have much time on my hand to really calculate it because I'm really early to trading, and I know it's a mistake to put in real money, but I put a very small amount that I'm not afraid of losing, so I can trade with it and see and get the feel of trading. And not only that, but I'm also paper trading. Meanwhile, always,
Yeah.
every trade I do, I put one trade in the paper and say to myself like, okay, so let's see what if if my strategy don't work, maybe I need to how do I say it? Refigure out my strategy or tweak something until I get my strategy to work a percent of times, and then I will be comfortable with it.
Okay. Well, I would say you have to dedicate a certain amount of time. So you can you're around the charts 6 to 8 hours a day, but you have to say, all right, out of this 6 to 8 hours a day, I'm going to dedicate 1 hour or maybe 2 hours. You have to dedicate a certain percentage amount of times that you're around the charts to just that back testing. It can't be just to look at the market, or you could be back testing. It has to be one or the both.
I think the back testing is more hours than the charting.
Okay,
like
okay.
only looking at the charts.
Okay,
I
okay.
say it's about 70% backtesting and 30% just looking at the charts, because I can't, the beginning, you can't stop and just look at the charts. It's very hard. I feel like I
Yeah, it's
always
hard.
have to
It's
get into
hard.
the
I know.
system
I know. When you're
with
in.
psychology, and I try to maintain myself. And the only backtesting I do is, of course, with paper money. But even with paper money, I don't look at it as paper money. I look at it as like it's my real money, and every backtest I do it like for real in my head. I think of it as like for real. Like I don't want my backtesting money is also like a small account, a very small account, like $200 or something like that. And I always try, when I lose in paper money, I also get mad and get emotional.
Right.
So
Back to what I was saying, bro. All right, so you do 70% more back testing. So, all right, that's good. But the main part right now is because you're saying you need to tweak the strategy. That means you don't exactly know what your strategy is yet, so you won't be confident in placing your trades. I would say you have to just figure out one thing do you have anybody that you learn from, or is it just YouTube?
and not exactly. I think I told you, I have a friend who is a swinger,
Uh huh.
and he does. I don't really know his strategy. I don't think he figured out strategy.
Uh huh.
He's very much succeeding from what I saw, but he is paper trading. He's not. He did not get in because he wants to learn for about half a year. I don't know, 3 4 months,
Uh
how
huh.
much he wants, and then only get in. And from what I saw, he's reading. He's really like doing fine. Uh, but I don't know. I really want to figure out a scalping strategy, because I'm already doing it. It's like a moving average strategy
Mhm.
type, and how do I say it? לא, הכל טוב. לא למה גבר. My strategy is like, when I see the moving average is on my chart is 227, and when it crossed that 227, it means something drastically is changing. So if the market was bullish, it's now bearish, so the opposite.
Right.
And my strategy is to look for a retest
Mhm.
to that moving average,
Mhm.
and if it doesn't succeed in reversing it, or just staying on the moving average, I don't get in. I look for a retest, and after the retest break my lower low,
Yeah.
only then I get in.
Okay.
But I swear to God, I'm so horrible at discipline. Like I always look at the first time and I get in and I hate myself and it's like always and then I hit myself in the face and I'm stupid.
Yeah, all right. Yeah, you're still pretty new to it, so I can't say anything much to you because I was once where you were when I first started. It was just so exciting, bro. I can't lie, it was just so exciting. I couldn't stop trading. It was just I had to look at the charts. I had to just be in a trade. I couldn't wait for the setup to actually play out. Or I think it's just time, bro. It's just
Yeah,
time
I
in the
think
market.
too.
It's just experience, because those that it fades away at a certain point. It does fade away. It's gonna be a point that you'll get to the point where you're tired of losing one, and you're like, nah, I've done this so much times already. Something has to work, or I gotta quit. So you're gonna go into this
Yeah.
crossroad where it's either you gotta fix it or you gotta quit. And I think that's the point where everything has to click for you. Have everything has to, like, you either got to stop your bad habits or you just go find something else to do.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so yeah, and man, I get what you mean, bro. It's just time. It's just time. You gotta wait it out a little bit. Just keep doing what you're doing. Keep trying to figure out what works, what doesn't work. Keep trying to practice discipline. Like, even if you don't do it, maybe punish yourself. Like, if I don't do what I'm supposed to do, or your rules, do you have your rules written out?
I have like a rule: if I lose a certain amount of money, it's
No,
not very big, but
it
it's like
shouldn't
a
be a certain.
percentage.
No, it shouldn't be a certain amount of money. It should be a rule
It's a
based
percent.
process. It's like a process. It's like, all right, I'm going to wait for this, and if this happened and this happened and this happened, I take a trade. You understand? Like, if the
Yeah,
moving average
I have
cross.
this, but I'm not disciplined enough to follow it.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Do you have the rules? You have the rules. Do you know the rules?
Yeah, I have them, but I don't follow them to the teeth.
So maybe you have to, like, try to set punishments for yourself. Just like, if I can't follow these rules, I must go running for an hour, or I can't eat my favorite food,
Oh
or I
shit!
have to take a cold shower. Like, you have to punish yourself. Like, I don't know if your parents ever punished you when you were younger, but whenever I did something bad, like, my parents would
Yeah,
punish me.
man, I get the belt.
Yeah, you will get the belt. Like,
The
you'll
belt
get the
was the
belt.
favorite weapon of
But
choice.
it would make you not want to do that other thing that you were doing again.
Yeah, of course.
Exactly.
It
It would
made me disciplined.
make you disciplined. So you got to punish yourself. There's nobody in this. That's why this niche is so good, because there's no boss. There's nobody to tell you what you can and cannot do.
Yeah, of
But
course.
that's also the bad thing. There's nobody to tell you what you can and cannot do. So there's nothing to make you stop doing the bad thing, and nothing to keep making you doing the good things. It's literally just you. You're the only one that can make it happen. I would say punish yourself. I don't know what punishment that you could create, but hey, take a cold shower whenever you don't. Whatever you hate, like whatever you know you hate, whatever that thing is that you hate doing, make sure that's what you have to do when you do not follow your rules. And maybe that could get through to you, because trust me, the belt worked for me when I was a kid. The belt worked for me. I stopped I stopped doing whatever it was that I was doing. So I think that's maybe one of them that you have to try. Just try to implement that one. Um, but
So I
listen,
think I will start talking back to my parents and said, "Give me the belt."
if I don't do this,
I think
beat
the
me.
belt is the
Beat me.
best option.
Nah, you gotta do it yourself, bro. You gotta make sure
I need to have my own belt.
you have your own belt and
Expensive
just beat
nowadays.
yourself on the back.
Oh, shit. Sounds very nice.
Beat yourself.
I'll tell my I'll tell my girlfriend who will be
Tell
careful
your
with
girlfriend beat you.
it.
Oh my god, bro. But yeah, something has to work. You have to punish yourself. That's the only way it's
Yeah,
gonna
of
work.
course. Yeah, it's only discipline.
It's either that or I don't know. Like,
No, it's only
it's
discipline.
only discipline. I keep telling anybody that wants to pursue this, it's literally discipline. If you can be
Yep.
disciplined, you will be successful. Because after a while, you do learn what rules you're supposed to follow, what you're supposed to do, you know, and all you got to do is just stay disciplined to it.
Yep.
It's very hard, but
very
very
hard. I
easy.
think yeah, for the beginning it's very hard.
It's very hard, but it's very easy. It's like
Yeah.
it's like the hardest, easiest concept to. That's why they say trading is like the hardest, easiest way to make money, because you can make money like you can make what people making a whole year in like a couple hours. But
Yeah.
you also, if you can't,
Can lose it.
yeah, well, it's not about just losing it because you. That's where the discipline comes from. But the discipline is the hard part. If you can discipline yourself where it comes to money management and knowing what to do and the setup, the right setup, waiting for it and being patient, that's all discipline. If you can do that, then you will always be good. But that's the hard part. The easy part is making money and making a lot of money. But the hard part is learning to be disciplined in order to make a lot of money. But you got this, bro. It's gonna take a little bit of time, but you got this.
At a certain amount of money, I really can't trade without risking a lot because if I have like let's say a $50 account, okay, which is very low and I don't mind it.
Mm-hmm.
So when I want to put my stop loss like very far, let's say, okay,
Mm-hmm.
so I'm risking without wanting a very large amount of my account because it's the lowest you can risk a 0.1 lot.
Yeah.
You can risk only that at those like in the US30 and NAS.
Mm-hmm.
But like on the US500, it's because the share is less expensive.
Mm-hmm.
You risk. I can put my stop loss like very far.
Right.
Uh, so also those things I'm trying to figure out as I go along because
I would say just
it's
stick
just
to the demo
very
account. Stick to demo account, bro, because you won't be able to. You can't fix that. You need money in order to fix that problem. But that's not a problem
yeah,
that you
of
should
course.
worry about right now because you need to worry about being disciplined, being patient, being able to be consistent.
The money is not a problem,
The money's not the
but
problem. That's the last part because the money will always be money.
the discipline part
It's
is
the discipline.
is very
Because you got to think about it. Like trading on a $100 account and making 5% consistently is the same thing as making 5%
yeah, of course.
on $1,000 account or $10,000 account.
Yeah,
100. It's all the same thing. It's literally the same thing. It's just more money. But if you can do
yeah.
it and be consistent with it, you could put it on any amount of money.
Yep.
Hello, Kino.
Hey, bro. I'm not
Yeah,
sure who's talking.
I'm James.
Oh, hey, James.
Yeah, I think I've really watched some videos, ICT, Inner Circle.
Uh
I've
huh.
watched some SMS, smart money concepts.
Yeah.
But I think I really need a mentor. I need somebody I can learn from so that I can put a strategy together and I can really do demo trading and where I can be watching my growth before I'm going to retrading.
Okay. Okay. So you don't you? How long you been trading for?
I've not been trading at all, but I've been watching YouTube videos, inner circle traders. I've known at least to some extent smart money concept. Yeah, I've really known much of all the inner circle times, but I think I really need a life mentor, somebody that can really train, that can mentor me, somebody I can watch his strategies, and through that
Okay.
I can develop myself.
Well, I would say one. I don't trade ICT, so that's probably where we won't be able to. I
I
can't mentor you on ICT.
actually
Uh
I
huh.
don't mind, you
Okay.
know, ICT or anyone, maybe smart money concept is just a way of at least understanding the chart and understand the terms, being familiar with the candlestick. So I don't mind anything. All I want is I want to learn from somebody that is profitable.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, see, the my strategy works for me because I've put in a lot of work. Can I teach it? Yes, I probably can teach it. Um, It just depends. What kind of person are you? Like, are you a patient person? Are you an impatient person? Do you like to get in and get out, or can you hold the trade and wait 2 3 days, or can you wait a couple hours for it to play out? That all just depends on you, because that's from there. Then you would understand where you can go, what kind of trader you will be. Because I'm more of like a intraday kind of scalp type of trader, but we need to know what
Yeah,
kind of trader you are. So what kind of person are you? Like, what would you think you would fall into? What category?
yeah, I'm very patient. But if I can ask, what kind of strategy do you actually trade?
I would say this is my own personal strategy. I wouldn't even say it's anyone's in particular. I think it's just my own personal strategy that I cultivated over a period of time, just consistently doing the same thing. So I don't
Yeah,
think it's anybody in particular. I didn't learn. It's everything. I've learned a lot of things, and I know what I look at, and I know what I want to see. And then at this point now, it's like I created my own. It's not anyone else's. It's not. I can't say it. This is how Lambo Raul trade, or this is how ICT trades, or this is how Q Banks trade. It's just how I trade. I can't. It's just super unique to just me. Um,
I think the main purpose is, are you profitable? Yes.
yes.
If you're profitable, yeah. So I'm actually ready to like this.
Yeah, I am consistently profitable now. I'm on a win
Yeah.
streak right now of 3 trades that I, what was it? It's like 3 days win streak from last week. I'm not sure if it's gonna end today, but I'm on a 3 day win streak. But the whole point is just you got to keep learning. But I have to ask these questions because these are the questions that you have to know before you even know where to start learning. You
Did you
understand?
know that?
Yeah, that's I'm sorry, I didn't forget.
You understand me, bro?
Uh,
Let
yeah,
me I'm gonna mute you real quick, Eddie.
yeah, I'm hearing you.
Yeah, yeah. Not you, James. I was saying talking to Eddie. I was gonna mute him. But
Okay,
you have to figure out what kind of person you are first.
okay.
Like,
Yeah,
are you a patient person? Are you an impatient person? Like, that would categorize what type of trader would you be. Are you gonna be a scalper, intraday trader, or a swing trader? Like, that's
okay.
it. Trading revolves around who you are as a person.
Yeah,
You should make trading as much alike to you, because it literally, that's what it is. When you look at a chart, you're looking at a mirror. It's literally just showing you who you are. And if you don't follow your thing, your trading strategy, if you're not patient, it's gonna show you by your results.
yeah,
So it's literally everything to do with you first. So you need to figure yourself out. But in figuring yourself out, you'll figure out your strategy and stuff like that.
yeah.
But what kind of that I would say, what kind of person are you? Like, what kind of trader are you?
Yeah.
Are you a patient
I
person?
think I'm very patient, very patient.
Very patient. Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have a wife and kids?
Yes, I do.
All right, so I could believe that. Um, so I could believe that you're a patient person, because it takes a little set of patience to eventually have wife and kids, because they come with being patient. Um, so you probably would be a swing trader. I'm not a swing trader. So that next step is like, okay, I can be a swing trader, intraday trader. Who would I learn from that does swing trading, intraday trading? So I know a couple of people that does swing trading. I know I could send you like some social media. You're on you're from the inner circle trading group chat, right?
No, I'm not in the group, but at least I've watched couples of his free videos.
Okay, how did you join the Zoom call?
He has free videos. 2022, 2023's mentorship.
No, no, I'm not talking about ICT. No, 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 no. This is
I
Telegram.
s-
Telegram, right?
okay, I saw you on Telegram. I
Yeah,
just
yeah, yeah, yeah.
saw Inner Circle. Yeah.
But this is not ICT's Telegram. This is my friend Andre. This is his group chat. He just trades ICT.
Yes. I got from private Inner Circle Telegram.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, so you're a part
Yeah.
of that. Um, so yeah, the next step is, all right. So you could be a swing trader slash intraday trader. I think some really good people to try to learn this from is, I know a person named Alex FX Alex G. That's what his name is on Instagram. Search him up. He does have a price, but I see that he's selling a like a For me, it's relatively cheap, but it just depends on what your income and from where your background and what that would look like to you. But this is a business, and you must invest in yourself in order to make money. You will not make money thinking you're going to be cheap. You got to invest into yourself, whether that mean being invest into a course or invest into a laptop or invest into a software and whatever. Like you're gonna have to make certain investments in order to grow in this business. So that's up to you to choose if you want to buy his course. I'm not gonna tell you to buy his course, but what I was gonna say, what I'm saying, I totally forgot. Yes, FX Alex G, he's a good one. Lambo Raul, he was a swing trader at one point. Now he's like more of a scalper, intraday trader, but you can still learn from him. Um, who else? Who else is a nice swing trader? Hmm. I don't know. I don't know who else is a swing trader. I'm not sure who else is a swing trader, but those are the two people that I got right now. You should look
That's
into.
good.
Yeah, yeah, you could be a swing trader,
Okay.
but for the, I feel like right now, what
Yeah.
I'm willing to teach is the uh the mindset of trading, because I'm not willing to teach my strategy, because it doesn't matter if I teach you my strategy, you could still lose. You're still gonna lose because if you don't understand the mindset, because a lot of it plays with the psychology. If you don't understand the psychology, you'll never make money. Period. It doesn't matter whose strategy you learn. So I'm more willing to teach the psychology
Strategy.
behind it, not my strategy, because my strategy is not gonna make you profitable. It's the mindset. So I would say go learn from someone who swing trades slash day trades, which is
Yeah.
FX LSG or Lambo Raul, and then get back to me, learn, figure out the strategy, learn it, create some rules for yourself, and then we can probably work out how you can get better at, being consistent.
That's okay.
Yeah.
That's okay. All right. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem, James. Thanks for
Yeah.
the question, babe. What's good, Eddie?
Yeah.
My boy Eddie with the good energy.
So what are you looking for to do today? Looking to get into a trade or
Yeah, I'm gonna.
don't see any?
I'm waiting for 9:30. So, cause we have news at 10 o'clock today, but I'm waiting for 9:30. So I'm waiting for the open to. Usually the open is really, because it fakes you out a lot. So if there's no news before 9:30, you shouldn't be in a trade before now, especially when you're talking about US30. You should actually wait till after 9:30, because 9:30 is a very volatile moment. That's when the market's open, and technically you will get wicked out a lot of times if you're in before that
Yeah.
time. So you could just wait on your hands, sit and wait, and then 9:30 will tell you exactly what it wants to do most times.
Yeah. Last time I saw Paul speaks, everything goes banana.
Yeah, he's not speaking today though, but yeah, when Powell speak, he's another one. Things go just crazy. It goes nuts. I wouldn't say. I'd say stay away from any time Powell speaks. In my honest opinion, stay away. There's nothing ever good that comes from when he speaks, besides people's stop losses getting hit. Unless you have a strategy that you developed around his speeches, just stay away from it. You don't need to trade it.
Do you have any application or something you use that is free for alerts?
For alerts, what do you mean alerts? What kind of alerts?
Because when I put alerts on my trading view, my phone don't get like the alerts that it's.
Are you signed in? Are you signed in using Google?
What? I
Are
don't
you
hear.
are you signed in? Are you signed in on a Google account on
Yeah, I'm
TradingView?
signed in, but I'm not on the pro. I didn't buy anything.
Oh yeah, you're probably gonna need to buy a membership. That's the trick about TradingView. They want you to pay
Yeah.
for their services. So in order to do anything really, you're gonna need to pay for their services in order to have the back testing software, in order to get the alerts on time, in order to use certain indicators. You're gonna need to pay for their services. I use the basic package, which is $15 a month. But that's up to you what you choose. I don't think you honestly. I don't think as a retail trader you need anything more than the basic package. So
Yeah,
I
don't
wouldn't say
think.
get anything else besides the basic package. That's all you need. Literally all you need. But back to what I was saying, Ben. Figure out what days is best for you at trading. Yeah, I was saying that you're pretty new. But I can't really. I mean, I can help you,
Yeah, it will
but
take me some time.
it's gonna take you some time regardless because you don't have that psychology yet. It takes a
Yeah.
while to develop the psychology. That's the only thing that's gonna make you profitable. I'm telling you 100%, 100%, 100%, 100%. Literally, the psychology is the only thing that's gonna make you profitable, not the trading strategy. It doesn't matter what you trade. You could trade
Yeah, of
any
course.
strategy. Every strategy works. But if you don't have the psychology, you're gonna always lose. Or you're not gonna be consistent. You can win
Don't you think
sometimes.
if I have the psychology, if like, because I did test something, and let's say I I get in a trade, I have my strategy, everything is good, okay, and I do lose, okay, so it's fine. I'm not emotional. It's okay. I lost, okay,
Mm-hmm.
and there is losing days, and there is losing weeks, and there is losing months. No problem. But at what point I look at it and I say, okay, maybe maybe something is wrong with my strategy.
You would already know this. You would already know your strategy works based on the data that you have collected from your backtesting. So you would already know because you're doing it over several months of backtesting anyway. But as you are trading, like as you continue to trade, you want to collect the data. You still want to have the data that shows how well you're doing per day, per week, per month. And based on that, you can go back and you can see, am I following my strategy? Am I executing flawlessly without human error? If you are, then what is happening? Because sometimes there's market cycles. Like, as you said, there's gonna be losing weeks, losing months. Sometimes there's gonna be weeks that you're taking L's, and I would say months that you're taking L's. But if you over the period of a year making money, then there's nothing wrong with your strategy. It's just a market cycle. There are gonna be market cycles that you're doing very well, like exponentially well, and then there's gonna be other months that you're doing so. Like last month, last no, we're in July now, so I'm talking about May. May was a really fantastic month for me. Very good. I think besides May, I would say December was the next time that was a very good month. But May was fantastic, very fantastic. But April was terrible. So it's cycles. It's just cycles of up and downs. But as long as you can still keep it up there, you'll be good.
Gotcha.
That's good, Eddie. What kind of food you messing up this morning?
There's a lemon loaf out here, boy.
Not that's what you eating? What you eating?
A lemon loaf.
Lemon loaf. Heard you. Heard you.
I originally got on. I originally got on from Starbucks. But then I found out Dunkin' Donuts being copycat, and they ain't half bad.
A win is a win, bro. Win is a win.
A win is a win. Off brand or not.
Off brand or no, win is a win.
You got your coffee yet, bro?
Yeah, I have my coffee already. Before I even start my Zoom live chats, I already have my coffee, honestly. I like to come into my Zoom calls with energy.
Yeah.
Sir. I drink about I would say 3 cups of coffee. Or I would say 2. On average, 2 cups of coffee every day. 2 cups. On average.
No, every day. The whole day. Okay.
Not every day. On average. Some days it's 3, some days it's 1.
And right now, I gotta confess to something to y'all.
What? What's that?
So, like, the last 2 weeks,
Mm-hmm.
man, I've been trying to keep this account afloat.
You say you've been trying to keep the account?
Hey, Blue, everything's... Oh, yeah. Like, I lost 2, you feel me? Like,
Okay.
200. But it ain't too bad. Because I still got rent to play with. Still got 3. So,
Okay.
I'm still trying to flip that. You know, I only need 3 to get the funded.
Right.
But I was trying to make a little extra so I can like open up another account so I can make that a long-term investment account.
So you're on a losing streak right now, you would say?
Yeah, it's like one big, you feel me, like one big chop. You feel me? It wasn't continuously over and over again. Cause
It's one trade.
Yeah. Cause I put like 3, cause I basically over leveraged.
You over
Like I
leveraged.
basically over leveraged. Yeah.
Yeah.
So it took like 200 off me. I'm like, fuck. But I ain't too bad.
Damn. Yeah, don't over leveraging, bro. You can only. I wouldn't even say you're over leveraging if you put a higher risk on an A+ setup. That's not. I wouldn't say that's over leveraging just because with this A+ setup you have a higher probability of winning more often. So I wouldn't say that's gambling or over leveraging, but. I mean, I guess you could call it.
Like I basically got trapped up at the neck and stuff. You know how the neck be like, how the neck could be looking like a shoulder.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. It's all good, bro. It's all about the comeback.
That's why I ain't getting tripping.
If you quit, man, it just wasn't for you. Trading just not for you. That's it.
Eventually, you're gonna have to stop getting mad.
Yeah, eventually
you're gonna meet every day.
Right, I'm telling you, that's the psychology part. That's really the psychology part. Eventually, you're gonna just stop being mad at losses because you're like, all right, cool. I'm gonna have to take losses. It's just not like one of the other businesses that exist in the world. You will have to take losses in trading. It's inevitable. There's no 100% trading strategy.
Like, it would just suck if you have like employees and they all gotta feed their families. That's stressful.
Yeah, that's stressful. That's what what do you call them, trading floors be having. If you don't make no money, you don't get to feed your family. But that's on you. You decided to get this job, so it's really kill or be killed.
You know what you gonna say? What you gonna say on your resume? Like, so can you explain this 8-year gap in your work history? Yeah, I was a trader.
I was a trader for a little bit. I was getting smoked, so I decided to come back.
I was getting smoked, so I decided to come back to the workforce. Fuck out of here.
That's what it be like, bro. It really be like that, man.
Well, I'm just fucked up. Once y'all leave, I'll leave, but ain't nobody gonna see you.
You're not coming
I'm
back.
going on a good vacation. Like, I'm changing my beard for a little bit. I'm gonna give it some nice skincare. I'm gonna go like Cuba. I'm gonna do some Cuban females and stuff for a little bit. I'm gonna come back to America and start building this shit.
I hear
You
that.
get me?
Are you gonna be trading the whole time, or are you just gonna be laying low?
You well, of course. Of course I'm gonna be trading.
Okay, that's dope.
I love that shit. Like you feel me? Like just last like Saturday and shit. I was like, damn, bro, you know what I need right now?
What?
Some good old chart porn.
Some what?
Some good old chart porn.
What? This is a chart porn.
Yeah, like you feel me? Just like you feel me? Like candlesticks going and you feel me? TPs, TPs getting smacked. You feel me? Like rejections right off like you feel me? Like order blocks and stuff. I'm like, oh yeah, do that again.
This guy's a little freak monster. He's like, oh yeah, do that again.
Have you guys ever worked with Bookmap?
Well, who?
I don't know who that is.
Say that again, bro. I'm sorry, I didn't even understand you.
Have you ever guys worked with Bookmap?
No, I don't know who that is. I'm sorry.
No, never heard of him.
Never heard of him. Who is he?
It's a very special program to see liquidity in the market,
Oh,
like physically seeing it.
okay. So how can you validate that they know what they're doing? Like they know that that's
It
liquidity.
is live. It is live data.
Okay. So
So what is it, AI?
who else uses this data?
I've seen a lot of traders. I didn't find it on my own. I saw other traders use it.
Is it retail traders or is it institutional traders?
No, retail.
It's retail.
Yeah, YouTubers.
Oh, okay.
Retail.
If institutional traders was using it, I would say that's probably elite because they're trading hundreds of millions of dollars. But retail traders are trading hundreds of thousands of dollars, maybe even less. But yeah, I don't really need any additional stuff right now. Maybe later on, as the consistency in my trading increases the amount of money that I trade with, and which would increase the amount of capital I gain from this. Maybe I look at something else, but right now I don't even need nothing. I'm gonna just keep sticking to this. At one point, you're gonna get to it. You're gonna get to a point that nothing phases you. Say someone that is trading. Say someone, I don't know, whoever this person is, and he says, "Oh, NAS is doing this right now. You should buy." You would not care. You would not care what he's talking about because you're like, I already know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna focus on what I'm doing. If that's working for you, that's perfect. But I'm not gonna just do it just because you said to do it. If it matches up with what I'm doing, then sure, I'm gonna take it. But I'm not gonna just do what you want me to do. You understand what I mean, bro? It's gonna happen, bro. It's gonna happen for you, bro. It don't matter what nobody tells me. Even if they're right and I'm wrong, I don't care. I know the amount of work that I put in. I really don't care what anybody else says anymore. I just do what I'm supposed to do.
You gotta wear it out like a badge. They gotta wear it out like a badge.
Word. Just focus on me. Focus on what's working for me. I don't care what nobody else is doing. What I'm doing is already making me consistent. Why the hell do I need to focus on what someone else is doing? Alright, it's July though. I think July is gonna be another slow month because obviously all the kids are out of school. It's the summer months, people on vacation. So I don't expect anything spectacular from this month. Honestly, when I think September or August, I think that's when most kids go back to school. Between September and August, that's when most kids go back to school.
August.
Yeah, late August, early September. That's when most kids go back to school. I think that's when the market's gonna really pick back up. That's just in my honest, that's in my opinion. I can't say that's factual, but that's just how I feel. Cause this month had, well, June was so slow, so slow. Like I'm talking about, I would have to wait like a whole day for the whole trade to play out sometimes. And I'm not even a swing trader, but it's just I had to wait. But we'll see. I think July is gonna be like another month just like that.
Shit, right? Your daddy wanna post shit,
What
right?
the
He wanna
fuck?
fucking post shit and I answer the goddamn phone. I hate your ass.
Chiapozli was arrested in 2020, but now is back out living her best life. TikTok, please do your thing. Resurface this video. People need to know who.
Post shit.
That is sick.
Your daddy wanna post shit, right? He wanna fucking post shit and I answer the goddamn phone. I hate your ass.
Chiapozli was arrested in 2020, but now is back out living her best life. TikTok, please do your thing. Resurface this video. People need to know who she is.
Post shit, right? Your daddy wanna post shit, right? He wanna fucking post shit and I answer the goddamn. Your daddy wanna post shit, right? He wanna fucking post shit and I.
Tragic.
Single women give me relationship advice. If you're bad with money, I'm not gonna ask you about my finance. If you smoke every single day, I'm not gonna come to you to help me quit. So if you've never had a successful long-term relationship, why would I ask you for advice?
Stop.
Unless single women give me relationship.
Stop looking for a man for what he'll give to you, and look for a man for what he will sacrifice for you. That's a huge difference.
If you.
15 minutes left till the New York Open. Let us see.
$900,000 in profits in 1 year from what'd you start with?
27,000.
27,000 to 900,000. What is your secret? Tell us. How do you do this?
Wait for the paycheck comes through. Brand.
When I'm done, I'm done. I want like everybody to know that about me. Like when I'm done, I'm done. I'm not like I'm not going back and forth. So it's just like one of those situations where I wish it's done, but we could still be cool. Cause like life goes on. Like I'm not gonna sit and cry about a situation. I'm not.
Damn, I need a new book. It's ran down.
Okay. You know, for that body. Yeah. Yeah. What? Brett really got that wrist, huh? Yeah, we all tuned in. Hey, this thing, I love it. Yeah. doing fine. How you doing, brother? What's that? Yeah, 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 yeah. What's the job number you asked her about? 594-114. Oh wow. All right, let me find out about the job. 594-114. Address being Trotterdale Ave. And you say you needed access to what? Or the flags or info for property corners.
Body when we start fresh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
Um,
17.
no info for property corners waiting. Crew is waiting on info. Like I'm asking them about it right now for you. I'm gonna I'm gonna put you on hold. All right.
Oh shit. What the hell happened just now? It's 9:20. Okay, we'll keep waiting. I'll wait for 9:30. I don't want to get faked out.
Two. What? Yeah. Two. Yeah.
Flight 99.
He was trying to get a hold with you, but I was gonna drop it in the group chat. That okay. Oh yeah. Okay. On Monday.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Oh boy. You not, bro. You not his girlfriend. You is not, man. Wait. All right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10. Here.
Yay. Scandalous. What?
You gotta get busy, bro. You gotta bring the energy, man.
Like, Y'all haven't really connected on that level at all. Y'all didn't. Y'all haven't gotten there, and y'all don't seem like y'all gonna get there.
Mm. What about what was in the campus the best way to make money in the forex is to open this mentorship and be making your money. Just be doing mentorship. In the hard way, a risky way to make money. Only few does only people does it. Only few people does.
I don't like that.
Got 5 more minutes left, man. 5 more minutes.
51, so you might have put our particular trail while it's You don't even have to explain yourself. Yeah, like you said what you said, bro. And really, if you don't get it, oh well. Definitely. Yeah. Yeah. Like, he'll correct his behavior and he'll act accordingly. That's it. So does he want a relationship with you? Okay, so yeah. 2 weeks ago or something? No, like 1 week ago, like last week. You said 320? That's nothing. Okay, big baller. Spit it on me there, big daddy. You still ain't see that bitch though. Huh? Tell him to tighten up, bro.
All right, we got 1 minute, man. 1 minute. Let's go. Let's go. Give me that 930 boom. Let's go. Come on, 930. We got a couple seconds.
Oh, he a little mood setter. Okay. Oh.
Then I make it look okay. Oh, mama, come on. You gonna have to back it up. Come on, 930. All right, we got the 930 push. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Ooh. Ooh. Lord have mercy. Oh, Lord have mercy.
What, a drip or something? Like a drip? Yeah.
Everything is still pointing down. We still got like a bearish,
Stops at nice gas stations and blogs.
bearish
Okay,
momentum
okay.
going on. Let's see.
Oh, you so spoiled now. What? Oh, wow.
I predicted that it was going to continue coming down. Why? Because it seemed that last week we came into this highs right here, and then once we tapped into these highs, let me zoom out.
Right now?
Yeah, once we tapped into these highs right here, when it reversed off these highs, this is the first time it's actually coming back to it. So I seen that it was just continually trending down since London session. So I predicted that it was going to continue going down. How far down, that is yet to be known. Maybe find some support and then try to break these highs again. That's what happened last week when it finally broke this area. That's how I got the two valid, very good entries right here, because it broke these highs right here. Let me just put a zone here. When it broke these highs right here, I knew market was going to take off. It took off, came back. I took the same trade. It was literally the same trade until these highs. So I took two trades from here to here, and these highs right here, I see that it came and it's still respecting this resistance. So maybe it come back down here to respect the support to try to take off again. That is yet to be determined. Let's see. Let's see.
Ooh, not the saxophone.
Tell me about it, bro. He really nice with it, bro. No cap.
Hey, whatever that was, that's a screenshot and send.
Saxophone is nice. I ain't trying to see those sides of me. Okay, we having a real pullback now. Let's see.
Hey, moving right now.
Oh yeah, I can set up my MT5 now. So where I see a trade, I'll probably have to put my stop loss like above this high.
When Blake gets here Wednesday, I was like, when you were here,
This
they
is
tried
a
to make me
this
say how
this is
cool
a
for
high
myself.
probability setup for me personally. I'm gonna put some size on this. It's a smaller account. I've been growing it. Probably stop loss like right here. My entry right here, stop loss right here.
Rock follow shoot. That shit is basically more out of input. You still have to get
So I place a sell stop entry right there. Let's see if I get tapped in really. Let's see if I get tapped in for the 1-to-1. I won't be brief. All I need. Alright, so there's usually a difference in price from my NT5 and my trading view, which is annoying, but we'll see what the price difference it is for my stop loss. Stop loss. In the hands of yeah. I should just put some random other people.
You ready for that?
Not currently in the trade right now, so if this look like I'm getting stopped out, I'm actually not in the trade yet. My entry's down here. This would be my entry. My stop loss would be up here, but I'm not in the trade yet.
The mushroom rice, right? Breed John. Yeah, that bitch be busting, dog.
Let's see if it turns around. If it turns around, I'll probably drop the risk. If it comes above these highs, I probably have to drop the risk because it's no longer the same trade anymore. Let's see, we'll see.
Like white rice with black bean sauce and you mix them together. You gotta have a mix. Sometimes they put it side by side. You feel me? Like white and then the black. Is it a sauce or is it?
That's good, Lindo. Let me look at my. So I said it's always a little bit more. Let's see if I get tapped in, y'all. See if I get tapped in now, y'all. Let's go. Got a lot of momentum to the lower, to the downside. We can see that it's also trending. I have a couple of trend lines that you can see. It was trending here, it broke, came back up, so we can eliminate this line, right? What the fuck? Amber alert just went off. And some kids just got kidnapped. Sad, man. Gotta take care of the kids. As you can see, trend line from here, from the highs of London session. From the highs of London session, we have these lows just continuously being made, and then we create this next trend line. We see it's still bouncing up trend line. If it breaks down here, I'll be entering. I'll be entered into my trade. Stop loss here. Four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Oh man, let's see if it reverses. Let's see. Today might take a little longer to play out than usual. Let's see. completely reversed. That's tragic. It completely reversed. Let's see. Let's see. It might be going to the whole different direction. Let's see. I trade whatever it shows me. So if you reverse it, it is what it is. It's no longer an A plus setup anymore. So I would have to drop the risk. It's only an A plus setup if it continues to sell.
The market is looking very sluggish today.
Very sluggish, bro. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. It's not as clean as I would like it to be. Definitely not as clean as I would like it to be. Oh yeah. November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June. That's 8 months. I might have it turns around, I might have to open up the stops. Maybe open up the stops like right here. Yeah, let me take this off. Open up the stops. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's turn it back around. Still in break structure yet. Still holding. Let's see if it creates structure back to the top side. If it does, then it's clipped for the short.
jamming, Kino. I'm jamming out this bitch.
Facts, bro. Alright, so my A plus setups work 79% of the times, and my not A plus setups, I would say B plus setups, work 63.16% of the times. If you don't know what those numbers look like, if you don't know the percentage of how much you win over, I would say like 6 months, then you technically don't know your strategy. You should know your win rate. So if I would eliminate the other trades, I would win 79.59% of the time, but I would trade massively less than if I would add the B setups. So I do both. I trade the B setups with the A setups. It just depends. But I don't trade on Wednesdays. I completely eliminated Wednesdays. Why? Because it was lowering my win rate. Aha, my boy. If this is on a funded, bro, I would my suggestion for him, just stop trading. Get that first payout, man. Get that first payout. First payout might look like a cool $2,000. Get that first payout. Just work on another account now. Go build another account. Cause this is already 5%. Eddie, you funny as fuck, bro. Oh yeah, we got 10 o'clock news in 1 minute. Let's see if that 10 o'clock news, what kind of 10 o'clock volume we get. Let's see. I'll be here till 10:30. After 10:30, I'm walking away from my computer screen. I'm not in a trade. It is what it is.
Yo, that motherfucker is dropping. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Get me out the negatives, baby.
Hold on, I don't think I got my something at the table. What's up, y'all?
Waiting to get out of drawdown.
I feel it. Been there before.
Yeah.
I took one trade, but it was a break even. So I don't know if I'm gonna take anything else. I'm just watching NAS at these highs, but so overall, I'm not doing too much yet.
You're not gonna mark up for a retracement?
Nah, I'm gonna watch NAS's highs, see if they get ran to watch for shorts, and if I can't get shorts, then I'm not taking anything else. The longs would have been ideal at 8 o'clock, but I wanted that to happen like around now. The timing wasn't really there.
It's good, Dre.
What's going on, Kino? And I like NAS shorts, but it just slightly didn't run the high. You That shit's just like, alright, bro.
Still looking for the shorts. I'm waiting currently. Still looking for the shorts. Yeah. Let's go. Yo, what you fucking with tomorrow, bro? Drake.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
Nothing. Why? What's up? What's the move?
It's a holiday, my boy. I'm not
Yeah,
taking
I know.
no trips nowhere. So I'm most likely staying in the Florida district. What's the vibes, man?
Slide if you want.
Definitely gonna slide with my girlfriend. Cause she's
That's
gonna.
what I'm saying, but like at the same time, it's gonna be packed.
It's gonna be packed, right? It's a beach, right? It's gonna be
It's gonna
hella
be
packed.
Bro, I couldn't go to the beach yesterday. I went to 4 beaches.
You couldn't find no parking spot?
No, I went to 4 beaches. And I live here.
Damn. Nah, you probably headed out late, bro.
Bro, I headed out probably like 11. But
Nah, that's too late. Too late. Nigga, you gotta head out like 6 a.m., nigga. No care. At 6 a.m., just park up.
For the sun to rise.
Yeah, you gotta wait for the sun to rise, just park up. If me and my girl slide, we slide at like 5 a.m., bro.
You're funny. Fuck it. I'm gonna be like, yo, bro, it's London.
Yeah, I'm gonna slide
I'm
like
like,
5 a.m. I'm gonna
you
sit
gonna
at the
text me.
beach, wait till the sunrise.
You gonna
But
text me.
if I slide at
Early,
5,
like,
I'm not gonna be there till like 7. Anyway.
Yeah.
And I'm be like, yo, I'm at the beach, bro. I'm waiting for you.
If you really want to, we could probably do that then. I got some drinks.
Nah, I'm dead ass, bro. Like, I'm gonna slide dummy early, bro.
Alright, but let's do it then. We can go to the beach. We get there mad early. We got the drinks.
And
Chill. And then
park
if
up,
I
get a
were to,
spot.
you just watch them from my roof, probably.
You said what? Yeah, later on that evening.
You can probably watch
Facts.
them at my roof.
Facts. But I want to be on the beach tomorrow, bro. No cap.
Nah, let's do it. It's probably gonna be hot as shit.
Let's do it, bro. Let's do it. I'm gonna tell my girlfriend right now. We gotta get up at 5, bro. Cause I need to be down there by like 7 at the beach. By 7.
In the water.
In the water. Toes dipped in.
What's the weather gonna be tomorrow?
I think it's gonna be fine. I seen it was gonna be
95,
fine.
yeah.
It's that perfect, bro. Perfect.
95. Sunny too.
You bringing your girl, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, just might as well, bro. Cause I don't want my girl be annoying me by myself.
Yeah, it's cool. They can talk, so we don't gotta talk to them.
Facts.
Fuck that. I'm like, yo, y'all two tell me, we gonna take this bottom to the water.
Yeah, we gonna go somewhere else.
You gonna come back smack. And I got floaties too. I got 2 floaties.
Bet said he knew nothing else, bro. We cooling tomorrow. No cap.
Yeah, I like NAS shorts, bro, but I don't know. I hate how it didn't run these highs for like 2 points. It's just crazy. But at this point, I might not expect it to run that high and just put the stop above that high that it made. Because it's still trading within like this 1 hour fair value gap. 30 is slowly losing that bullish momentum, but that shit comes out of nowhere, so I'm gonna just give it time.
At 10:30, I'm out of here. It's cool. I ain't getting no trade. Yeah, 10:30, I'm out of here.
Nah, yeah, I feel it. Especially because it's still like 30 isn't as rangy. NAS is like in that little range. It's still early into this 15-minute candle, but I feel like I made the high wick already.
Man, Dre, I done perfected my strategy, guy. Done perfected the strategy, bro. Like, my confidence level, now, when taking my strategy, I have no issues, bro. No issues. The next...
good. Just make it emotionless.
Motionless. Now it's just straight, just following rules. The next challenge I go to, I don't think I'm going to start another one. I'm not going to start another one until August. Because
I got an account. I just haven't traded it.
Yeah.
I'm waiting to see. I don't know if this could be the first trade. I'm really just waiting. Because honestly, with the way I trade, like everything I do is the same. I'm just trying to take less trades throughout the week.
Yeah.
Like if I take 2-3 trades out the week, then I'm cool. Especially if it's a win or loss, it'll be alright. Like I made 3.6, almost 4% last week. And that was only just from 2 trades. So I was just like, hey, it's better than if I would have traded every day. That risk reward just goes out the window.
Yeah, when you trade every day, like when you have to, when you make it your obligation to trade every day, your risk reward is dropping, 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 drop. That's a fact. It's a fact. So
less is more.
less is more. I'm telling you. Learn what your quality setup looks like. Learn what your A setup look like, and look to just target those and put sides on those setups. Don't focus on nothing else.
That's what I want to see with these NAS highs. But I'm like, damn, it really missed it by a couple points. And I thought it was 8 caps, but then I went to every other one and it didn't run it either. So I'm like, all right, market.
I'm
With that sweep of the high, I would have been in there already, considering it's already 10 o'clock.
I'm growing this small account right now, trying to take it to as high as I can by August, and then just buy my accounts accordingly.
I feel it. The small accounts, they be cool. Especially with the indexes, you can always make it work. Now we're starting to get some bearishness. If we can get a retrace back into this fair value cap, I think I might take the shorts. 30's getting bullish, but honestly, they've been kind of doing opposite. So
30's looking like it's turning bullish. Look like it's turning back around. No cap. I might not be able to
look
get
at 30 on the hour, because I was looking at that and I was just
I know I seen it.
Because it looked like a little higher.
I was hoping that was gonna keep dropping, but 30 on the hour looks. It might come back right up into this zone, but I don't see that there's anything that's gonna make it push past these highs right here. I'm not gonna lie to you. It could push to the highs, but I don't see it pushing past it. Maybe Wednesday when they have the FOMC meetings, maybe that can make it happen.
Yeah. Or no, I just see it's either just gonna keep trending, doing this thing for Monday, and then maybe start figuring out direction Tuesday, Wednesday.
Well, I only got 20 more minutes here, so if I don't get a trade, it is what it is.
What's the DXY doing? That should die. Just ran the previous day's low.
I'm glad I went through a whole market cycle without blowing that account.
Yeah, 5 minute on NAS looks like go higher. On both sides are crazy. Oh yeah, there goes 30. Let me see, I think NAS is probably gonna get a push for these highs at this point. That's what I think.
I don't know if bro's still here. Nah, James is not here anymore. It was a boy, bro, that was asking me, he need a mentor, you know, whatever. I'm like, listen, I'm not interested in teaching people my strategy. So what I'm interested in teaching is people the psychology behind trading, because it's more psychology than it is strategy.
Yeah, strategy can be interchangeable.
Every strategy works, bro, but if you can't trade it, if you don't have the psychology behind it, you'll never make money. I'm more interested in teaching psychology than I am teaching strategy. But I feel like strategy sells. You feel me? That's what people want to buy. They don't want to buy the psychology. Yeah. But even if you know how, that don't mean that you know how to make $1 million. Still, you might not do it. That's what people don't understand, man. It's all psychology. Everything is a mental.
Yeah, I think that's gonna put it. Now looking at that hour retracing to that fair value gap, and it's at 13 for the 213.
Let me look at NAS on the 1 hour. Yeah,
It's
NAS.
range,
It's ranging. I don't think it's gonna push. I'm gonna be honest with you. It's ranging.
I think overall it's probably gonna push, but it's a matter of
probably not right now.
It was never there.
Yeah.
Like, this is the move I wanted. It's just that time wasn't right. It happened at 8. And I was looking to see it happen like 9:30, 10 with that run into the Asia low. But even then, it didn't even run that low either. It just Just tricking both sides.
Yeah. I don't see Nas doing much today. I'm gonna be honest. It's ranging. This shit got 20 more minutes and I'm out of here. But for sure, Andre, you win it. You win the early morning
Nah,
movies.
yeah, I'm down. You just have to do it early, like you said.
Early, like I'm talking about. I'm gonna leave 5 a.m. for my crib, no cap. I'm about to go just start packing my shit now. Word. You got that?
What, bud?
Yeah.
Nah, I got a little. Nah, I don't got shit. I just got some the drinks. I might tomorrow, but I don't know. Regardless, I have some drink.
I might get the
That's
Joe.
about it as of right now.
Bring some cranberry juice, and some pineapple juice.
That's exactly what I got. Cran mango.
I'm gonna go to. Bro. I didn't even know that there was so much bud stores up here, bro. It's crazy. In Florida.
Nah, they do. I just don't like them. It's not the same though. It's usually like Delta 8 BBBs.
Yeah, facts. Some
They want
hybrids.
Gas. I
You
mean,
don't got no
it's
gas.
the second best, but
Get gas. I gotta go all the way back to New York City, and I'm not with that. You know what's crazy? When I was in Puerto Rico, they had gas, bro. That shit was fire, bro. Nigga,
Puerto Rican.
I was out of this world with the gas, man. Holiday tomorrow. OPEC meeting on Wednesday. I don't trade Wednesdays no more. Thursday we got non-farm exchange. That shit might be sweet. I love non-farm. Usually goes in one direction.
Yeah, NFT is better than the rest, at least nowadays.
NFP just one directional. You catch direction, you good. Most times. And then we got Friday. Not bad. We got another NFP on Friday. Let's see, man. After this, I'm about to head to the gym.
Nah, no cap. Yo, that's just this braid, brother. I'm trying to see if it's gonna go anywhere.
I'm telling you, it's not about to do nothing.
It just upsets me when it doesn't run these highs by a few points, because now it's just doesn't really have a clear indication for either side.
It was right there next to the highs. It was literally right there by like 2-3 points.
At least 30 is like it looks overall. Depending on how this next 15-minute candle closes, it's still losing this momentum. But that hour though still got time, so. Oh yeah, there goes NAS starting to roll over. Alright, if I can get a retracement, I might get in at that 1 hour for Friday if I was watching with a stop above that high. But that would be anticipating that it doesn't go any higher. Yeah, and the dollar looks like it might get a good push. So if Southern East indexes should get a drop. If they would have play around how people say they are with these correlations.
But by the way, I'm finally looking at buying a dog soon, bro. Finally.
Thinking about it.
Yeah, I'm not taking no more trips to the year, bro. Well, I got one more trip that's at the end of August, but I'm not taking no more trips to the year. I've been traveling way too
Yeah, I
much.
haven't really been traveling.
I've been traveling way too much, bro. It's pricey.
Oh, there goes NAS. Oh boy, might have missed it. But it didn't even run that high. If it would have ran that high, I would have been in there already. But it's just not really doing nothing too crazy.
Might not be a trading day.
Yeah, I'm thinking everything's probably just gonna go bullish. At least NAS looks bullish. 30 is still. This is losing momentum, but you know how 30 be. It just take one candle just to get a push for it to change how it looks right now.
But it's like, what's gonna give it that momentum?
Yeah. It's just, I just think this is so high. It might just keep going higher. Just because it's Monday. Before it really like goes back into the range to get its real moves and shit.
Slow as fuck. Got 12 minutes.
Hey yo, got a problem. Get back. Hey yo, got a problem. Get back. Yeah, them cats is back, yo. On the rear. What you gonna do? Yeah.
15,200. I hate when I be on my computer, my finger falls asleep. It'd be horrible.
What you said?
I said I hate when I be on my laptop and my finger fall asleep.
Facts. Market's slow, man. I think it's because of the holiday tomorrow. I'm thinking that because it's slow.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. But I was thinking the day after might be slow. Well, I guess most fish are probably closed for that.
Yeah, most people like just take both days off because that could have been a 5-day weekend. You would have Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Come back Wednesday. That probably is like that. Mad people probably took off. It's looking clip for the day.
Interesting situation, yeah.
It's looking clip for the day, bro. I ain't gonna care.
Fucking English sleeping. Yeah. Looks like I missed that initial drop, unfortunately, because it went and missed it by a few points, but there ain't really much I can do about that.
Content creator. Model.
What, missed a drop on NAS?
Yeah, it barely missed the high.
Yeah, I guess you didn't miss it. You didn't really miss it because it didn't follow your strategy, bro. You can't miss what if it didn't play out the way it wanted to play out. You wanted it to play out.
It's just what it does about like a point or two. It's like ideally, even then, it's like it's still the situation. Not even it's like a point, but that's what it be doing.
Wait, so you trade back on New York session? You don't trade London session no more?
I'll trade both, but London's just been slower of recent.
Yeah.
Ideally, I do want to see NAS go long from here. It's just like, even if you looked at what I originally put in the chat, like I was watching it from that weekly gap, like from that Asia low, but it was in that area at 8 a.m. and that's the last time it was traded into. Everything else from there just kept going higher. But yeah, I'll trade New York. It's just like I said, I'm only trying to take 1 or 2, 3 trades a week at that. So regardless of the session, if it's just a little bit of trades, it's still valid. Yeah, 15,236 still my area ideally right now, especially since we're holding this fair value gap. It's looking cool.
The best gift a parent can give their children is a healthy marriage. So I want you to invest in your children. I want one-on-one time with your children. But the best gift that you're going to give them is the marriage that they see modeled in their life. We're going to show you how we honor and celebrate each other because this is the home that we're creating. So if you need to go to counseling, go to counseling.
Bro, I totally stopped making content, bro. I ain't gonna count.
It's just I'm the same way, bro. It's the type of thing where it's hard to keep doing something where it doesn't do too much in return. Like, yeah, I get the consistency thing, but I would rather spend money on it and then at least have a return. You know what I mean?
Or have somebody else do it, like.
Because the thing is, bro, I got the most. I had the most viewers, most interactions, most people like looking into me when I was paying for my ads.
Yeah, no,
it's just like it sucks, but that's the best way to do it. When you do it organically, yeah, they see the consistency, but a lot of the times, like, it's free, so it's like you get the result of a free ad.
Most times you ain't even gonna get paid from this, John, until like you hit a certain like millions threshold.
That's why it's good to like do things that you do every day. Like the live streams, you're gonna be trading regardless, so you're able to do it. So it's not like getting in your way. Versus like going out of your way to do stuff. Like you really just have to like it. That's what it really comes down to. If you really enjoy it, then that's the only reason you're gonna be doing it so much.
This shit. Yeah, we got 5 minutes left, and I'm closing down my shit. Matter of fact, I don't even really gotta wait to 5 minutes. I don't think it's gonna do anything. I mean, if it
does move, it's probably gonna take some time.
It's gonna take some time, and tomorrow's a holiday, so I would have to wait till Wednesday to see what it's gonna do anyway. So,
ideally, I have longs right now, but I'm moving my stop to this wick, and I'm leaving it because, especially with the timing, if it doesn't move now, it's not gonna move at all.
That's what I'm saying. Don't move down from that 9:30 to 10 o'clock volume, and don't move then. It's probably not gonna do nothing.
Because even looking at 30's looking overall bullish. It's just a matter of it's just not as volatile right now. But if it just takes, it can slowly keep creeping. And NAS, I'm already bullish. I just want to see it go for these highs fully. But since it barely ran it, I'm not even going to try to go short yet just because it didn't run it. So I'm ideally looking at still target those highs, 15,250 ideally. And if it doesn't, then I'll probably be back Wednesday. Who knows?
Trash way to start the month off.
Yeah, it's a holiday though. Regardless what happens, we'll be able to beat tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm off this. No cap. Ain't nothing
You
here.
are?
I'm off this.
All right, Birdie. Just text me tonight. Just